Hello, this is Wiccan Prepper, and I am doing a video on my EDC everyday carry. We're going to go through some survival type items, some redundancy items, some major redundancy items. The first thing I want to show you is my cordage on my neck. These are my survival kind of chains. This is a Odin's Eye survival necklace. Then you've got the Thor's hammer with a multi-tool, and the multi-tool has tweezers. It has fingernail pick, the thing to pick your fingernails. It has a little knife, a blade, fingernail file, and some scissors. So right there, I always have some kind of multi-tool on me. Then I have paracord, the 557 strand paracord. On it, it's got the lantern cores of Sinestro and the Green Lantern. On my right arm, I carry 30 feet of paracord on one wrist. On my left wrist, I carry 30 feet of paracord on my left wrist. The redundancy. On my right hip, I carry my wallet. On my right hip, I carry my wallet. This is my survival wallet. And in my wallet, I have various cards that I can't show you, but I do have a Band-Aid. Nice Band-Aid. A couple of alcohol swabs and hand wipes, and mini Band-Aids. And this kind of gives me a better capability of having a wallet like this. Being strapped to my side, it wouldn't get stolen. It makes it a lot easier for me to do a whole lot of things with a wallet like this. So just in this front pouch, these are all my cards. I have given you first aid items. Also in this front pouch is the credit card Ninja. So this is constantly on me every day, everywhere I go, inside my wallet. So that's just the first pocket. Then it has a zippered pocket, and because this is my survival wallet, and I'm not too ashamed of carrying this on my hip, I've got a full-size Bic lighter. I've got a rubber gloves. I've got another mini survival guide. I've got a coffee filter for filtering out water and to use as a biomask. I've got some tin foil for signaling. I've got some aluminum foil for making a container to boil water in. I've got a little mini knife, just a small keychain knife. I've got me a small flat, round. This tool is a fisherman's outdoor tool, and it is a mini multi-tool. And just like the redundancy of the multi-tool on my neck, this has got knives, everything I would need in a multi-tool, and including pliers. I've got a K-tool, so to do that prying material, and that's everything in this pouch. In my left pocket, small pocket, or a big pocket, I have a $3, $4 Walmart knife. It's got a drop Tonto type blade, stone washed, good $4 knife, $3 knife, wherever you get it from. But in my small pocket, I carry the Gerber Mini Paraframe knife. Good knife to have on an everyday use. And that is my everyday carry. A lot of redundancies, like I have 10 more lighters in my pocket that are all full. I have actually 10 lighters. Full-size Bics. So, I'm a really large guy, so I wear really large pants. This is Wiccan Prepper. Like I always say, live smarter, not harder.